Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Lou's Kitchen. Today we're going to make homemade paneer cheese. And it's so easy. So I had some milk to use up, so I decided to make some paneer cheese today. And it's only one extra step of doing ricotta, so I thought it was going to be really easy. So I've got about 2 litres of full cream milk here. And I'm going to pour that into a pot, and then I'm going to light it and bring that up to a almost simmer. So I want to heat it just for about 80 degrees. Now I decided today I'm going to use citric acid. The good thing with citric acid is it doesn't really have like any flavour or anything to it. So unlike lemon juice or vinegar, it's not going to affect the actual flavour of the actual cheese. So I just added some water to that and I've just stirred that in. Once the milk's at an almost simmer, I'll then add that to the hot milk and stir it in. Then we're going to leave it for a few minutes and we're going to let it just curdle. Now, when I did this, I found mine didn't curdle, so I actually added an extra teaspoon of citric acid in water and it curdled the second time. So you might need to do that depending on the strength of your citric acid or your vinegar or your lemon juice. There we go. Now I just have a clean dishcloth in a sifter, and now I'm just going to pour that into the cloth and just drain all that whey away. Then we're going to do the extra step and we're actually going to rinse the cheese and remove all that extra whey out of it. And I just did this until it just looked like it was clean enough. Then I'm going to bring the sides of the cloth together and I'm going to squeeze as much of that water out of that as possible. The more the better, and that's how you're going to get your firmer paneer cheese. Then we're going to place it on a plate and we're going to squeeze it between those two plates and just really compact it down. And then we're going to pop it into the fridge and just let that set for a few hours. So I'll put the paneer cheese in the fridge for a while and it's all compacted down now. So now I'm going to open it up and stick it into a container. So I've got this really good little container here and it's actually got a little rack in the bottom. Look at that, actually fits perfectly. So homemade paneer cheese. So that's going to go great with any Indian dish, or in my case, the low carb wraps with paneer cheese will go fantastic. I'm going to give it a little bit of a go. And that tastes just like paneer cheese from the shops. It's not as firm, but I think leaving the container for a little bit with the lid on with some pressure on it will firm it up. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a good old like, and if you want to see more, Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.